the meta description tag, okay? Meta description tag right here is sometimes used by the search engines as a summary description for your page, and I'll show you exactly what that means by right here. So we just took a look at my website that I'm just barely building up, but if I Google the keywords, some keywords, what you will see is you'll see this website that I created, and it has just a simple paragraph that I put in a post somewhere. Just says I'm looking for more information about boards and blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say what I want it to say. I want people to know that this is this is for East Coast vintage surfboard, blah, 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 blah. And so I want to fix that, and I can change what this text says, and I want to make sure that this, explains what the website's about, and it has keywords, and so I'm going to show you how to edit that, and that is, again, I'm going back to it, that is the meta description tag. Here's another example. So you see, like, this is scuba diving Hawaii, and they did not do their meta description tag, so it just says, it has some links and it doesn't really have anything. It has almost gobbledygook stuff. So what does that mean? It means that if you do not have a meta description tag, Google will try to make one up for you. Okay? And yeah, as you can see in my personal example, it doesn't do that great of a job. So we have our title page. Sure, I'm not going to mess with that. Slug. Okay, here it is, meta description. So I would go in specifically, I would